get them.
Tie yourself up to us.
I've got to go.
No, you don't.
I've got to go.
We got beer and yellow stuff. So what do you need?
I got all that. I got to go. I got to make video. I got to film.
Oh yeah. Let's do it.
I got to get everybody in the videos.
I have no idea. It came from him. Try it. Good luck.
There you go. Let's see the next reaction.
Let it be first. Let it be first.
That is good shit.
I can't see. She don't want to try it. She said, "I'll take a second shot." What else you got in there? What do you got in there?
Just beer.
What kind of beer?
Bush Light.
Bush Light?
Hold on, Cassie.
That'll work.
Bush Light's where it's at. You see?
Yeah, I got a damn yellow fly on my back.
Crushed.
Hold on, hold on. Are you on video right now?
You on video? You on TV too?
Now, this is what you need to get.
That hunch punch?
That hot punch
Damn
where
right.
it's at.
Hold on, wait.
Triple X.
We gotta be. It's because
Just like Granny marked it.
It's 151.
Yo, we got video together right now.
All right, show us. Take a shot. Show
Oh,
us that.
shit.
Show us how you drink that out of the
balls.
Hey, I was
He ain't got the balls.
I know, I got the ball.
So drink that.
He ain't got a hair on his ball or pineapple. Let me get a
No, that's anything you like. It don't matter.
pineapple.
All right, hold
Let
on.
me back up while I can get y'all all in the video.
We gotta take them all at the same time.
Let me get some
Folks, I'm just here to let you know that rednecks do care about nutrition and they eat their fruit.
Yes.
Damn right. You damn right. What would you like?
I don't
All right.
Can't do it. Drink this. It's not that bad.
Pineapple?
It's not that bad, I swear.
The more people that get in, I got to back up to get y'all all in the picture.
Rednecks
go wild!
.com. Hey, right there.
www.
We watching you.
Get out of here!
Damn, I dropped mine.
Mom, they're getting their vitamins.
Vitamin C, baby!
Vitamin C and vitamin D.
Get that shot up in there, boy!
Hell yeah! Celebrating
Down.
summertime.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Y'all on TV.
Hey! Is that receiver cam?
Go that way. Go that way. Nope, that's not. Ha ha! On this side. Go around this side. Hey, it wasn't my fault. I tried to get him to go the other way. Look up there, folks. You're a movie star. Wave to the camera. Cheers, buddy. Look at that. That's how you do it.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Uh-oh, look out. Watch out. Watch out.
What is it?
I don't know. They threw something to you. I think they threw you a beer. You on TV, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, right there.